Every single person wants his dua to be accepted. And we always give the waseela of who? We give the waseela of Babul Hawaij, Abul Fadl Abbas alayhi salatu wasalam. And Ummul Baneen is the name of the mother of Babul Hawaij. That when we give Babul Hawaij the intercession, the waseela of Sayyida Ummul Baneen, and Hazrat Abbas will make sure that all of our du'as are accepted. Ummul Baneen. And there are many amals that we can do. But there is one amal that has been narrated by all of ulama, that if your dua is not being accepted, then do the waseela of Ummul Baneen. And this is tried and tested, this amal. Yani if you want your du'as to be accepted, you are stuck in a problem, try this amal. After any namaz, sit down and say, Ya Ilahi, we want to give a hadiyah to Bibi Ummul Baneen. Read one tasbih of salawat and dedicate that tasbih to Bibi Ummul Baneen, and see how your du'as will be accepted. Bibi Ummul Baneen. Sufra. Yani, we have many sufras, but there are 3 sufras which are famous. We have one which is linked with Hazrat Imam Hassan alayhi salatu wasalam. We have one sufra which is linked with Imam Jafar as-Sadiq alayhi salatu wasalam. And we have one sufra, which is the sufra of Bibi Ummul Baneen. Today in Iran, any person who wants his dua to be accepted, he does the sufra, he does the niyyat, he does the mannat of Bibi Ummul Baneen. And the duas are accepted. There is a story behind. There was a Christian family living in Tehran, and they had a child who was disabled. From his waist down, this child could not move. Christian family. And the neighbors called them and they said that today we have organized the sufra of Bibi Ummul Baneen, and we want you to come and we want you to be a part of this sufra. Look at how Kareem Ahlul Bayt are. They do not look at what is your religion. They do not look at what is your caste, what is your race, what is your color, what is your language, where you belong from. In the eyes of Ahlul Bayt, every single person can gain something from Ahlul Bayt alayhi salatu wasalam. So this lady, Christian, takes her disabled child and she goes to the sufra of Bibi Ummul Baneen. She is sitting there and she asks, what is so great about you organizing this gathering for Bibi Ummul Baneen? A lady says that Ummul Baneen is the mother of Babul Hawaij. And it is our yaqeen that with the waseela of Bibi Ummul Baneen, our du'as will be accepted. She does du'a on that sufra for her child. And when she returns home, she says to her husband that today I went to a sufra of Bibi Ummul Baneen and I felt so much noor, so much energy there, that I also want to organize the sufra of Bibi Ummul Baneen. Husband says, we are Christians. What do we have to do with Ummul Baneen? She says that I have seen and I have heard that people gain shifa through the waseela of Bibi Ummul Baneen. So they organize the sufra, the niyaz, the dastakhan of Bibi Ummul Baneen. And as night falls, both husband and wife are sleeping, and all of a sudden the husband hears there is someone running in the house. He quickly wakes up and he sees that his child is no longer in the bed, he is no longer disabled, but he is running in the house. And the father says, "Oh son, how is it that you are running?" He says that I saw that a person came to me and he said that Abbas, I am ordering you to stand up. He says, I cannot stand up. Mawla Abbas says that I am ordering you to stand up. He says that when I stood up, I am running and now I am looking for where that person has gone. Come to the door of Ahlul Bayt. Give Waseela of Bibi Ummul Baneen and see how your life will change. Life could change through the ma'rifat of Ahlul Bayt alayhi salam.